Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In the today's session, I am going to describe the syllabus of the information retrieval systems what I am going to be covered in the coming sessions. Already I have completed some of the syllabus from first unit and the remaining units what are the various contents in the syllabus now I am going to describe. The entire syllabus is divided into 5 different units and each and every unit having 2 subsections. So let us see what are the contents are there in the unit number 1. In the unit number 1, we are having the introduction and information retrieval system capabilities are the 2 subsections, and in the introduction we are having definition, objectives, functional overview, relationship to DBMS, digital libraries and data warehouses are the topics. And coming to the subsection 2, information retrieval system capabilities, we are having search capabilities, browse capabilities and miscellaneous capabilities are the topics to be covered. So totally this is the unit number 1. These are the 2 subsections in the unit number 1. And now I am going to discuss about unit number 2. These are data structures and cataloging and indexing are the 2 subsections. In the data structures subsection, we are having the topics called introduction, stemming algorithms, inverted file structures, n-gram data structure, pad data structure, and signature file structure, and finally hypertext data structure. Now coming to the cataloging and indexing subsection, we are having the concepts as objectives, indexing process, automatic indexing, finally information extraction. These are the topics to be covered under the 2 subsections data structures and cataloging from unit 2. Now we are going to discuss from unit 3. Again unit 3 is divided into 2 subsections. Those are automatic indexing and document term clustering. In the automatic indexing subsection, we are having classes of automatic indexing, statistical indexing, natural language, concept indexing, and finally hypertext linkages. Now coming to the second subsection, we are having the concepts like introduction, thesaurus generation, item clustering, and finally hierarchy of clusters in the subsection named document and term clustering. So these are the topics to be covered from the unit number 3. Now we see what are the contents to be covered from the unit number 4. Again, unit number 4 is divided into 2 subsections. One is user search techniques and second one is information visualization. In the user search techniques, the concepts to be covered are search statements and binding, similarity measures and ranking, relevance feedback, selective dissemination of information search, weighted searches of Boolean systems, searching the internet and hypertext. Now coming to the information visualization, we are having the concepts called introduction, cognition and perception, information visualization technologies. These 2 are the topics to be covered from the unit number subsections from the unit number 4. Now coming to the unit number 5, again it is divided into 2 subsections, text search algorithms and information system evaluation. In the text search algorithms, we are having the topics introduction, software text search algorithms, hardware text search algorithms. Coming to the second subsection, information system evaluation, we are having introduction, measures used in the system evaluation, and finally measurement example with TREC results. So these are the contents to be covered from the unit number 5 under the 2 subsections called text search algorithms and information system evaluation. Once again, we see what are the contents from the unit number 1. See, this is from the unit number 1. This is unit number 2. Unit number 3. Unit number 4. Unit number 5. Now we see what are the various textbooks and e-resources are there for our syllabus. First two are the textbooks: Kowalski, Gerald, Mark T. Maybury, Information Storage and Retrieval Systems. This Information Storage and Retrieval Systems is the name of the book, and Kowalski, Gerald and Mark T. Maybury are the authors. Okay, this one is the book, prescribed book, and the second one is Frakes W.B. Ricardo, Page 8, Information Retrieval Data Structure Algorithms from Prentice Hall of India. This is the second book, and this is the e-resource. So these are the textbooks and e-resources are used to cover our syllabus. Okay, so for more videos to cover this syllabus and for other subjects also like artificial intelligence, machine learning and other UML and other kind of the subjects, please watch our channel. Please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials by pressing the bell icon and watch more videos to get more notifications. Thank you, Vanilla. Thank you so much.